The bird dog exercise is performed to increase strength in your lower and middle spine. This will also increase coordination in the upper and lower half of your body. To perform this, you start on a firm surface, 90-degree bend in your knees and 90-degree bend in your hip. You'll contract your abs, your core, and you'll slowly extend one leg behind you. When you are stable enough to hold this position for 30 seconds on each side, then you can start incorporating the leg and opposite arm, holding that for 30 seconds. I encourage you to do this once to twice a day with 8 to 10 repetitions each side.